Hello, magandang buhay. I'm Teacher Jasmine. I am 20 years old from the Philippines. At kung gusto mong matuto ng Tagalog, you are in the right place. In my class, you will learn basic greetings like kamusta and magandang araw, common questions and answers, everyday conversation tulad ng sa palengke o pakikipag-usap sa kaibigan. Plus, Filipino expressions, culture, and proper pronunciation. I make learning easy and fun, perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to practice more. Step by step tayong mag-aaral from words, phrases, and sentences hanggang maging confident ka magsalita. Marami ka talagang matututunan sa klase ko. Hindi lang Tagalog, kundi pati na rin Filipino culture and confidence. So don't wait. Book a class with me and let's start your journey to becoming a Filipino speaker. Masaya, nagaan at exciting.